Good morning. I'm really confused because I think it might be the 12 days to Christmas now because it's the 12th? No, 13th. So that means, you know, do the math. 25th? Math, so American. Do the maths. So basically I was going to do 12 days of Vlogmas because I completely forgot to start on the 1st of December. And also I've got an advent calendar from Dermalogica. So it's like 12 days to glow, like to go. So I'm going to start opening that today and then do it like every day, obviously. Yeah, so I'm just going to take you guys along with me for the 12 days leading up to Christmas. Also, I feel like I haven't got that much exciting stuff going on, but hopefully something happens that's actually interesting. Apologies, I cut it off a bit there. I realised I had to leave for work because, you know, there's a few more days of work left to go until Christmas, unfortunately. But yeah, so what I was saying is I'm confused because if I start today and there's 12 days to go until like, so that'll be Christmas Eve, but then if I do it tomorrow, then that's going to include Christmas Day, but like, I don't know if I'm going to film anything Christmas Day or just be stuffing my face. So yeah, also how cool is my walk to work in a kind of not cool way? Yeah, right, anyway, gotta go.
How was it? Delicious!
This is all yours.
Oh, yum. She's salivating. Yum! Do you have anything about moving up? Development.
Need a nap. 6 o'clock and all I want to do is go home, but I'm going to drag my butt to the gym. I made it back from the gym and I'm going to now tackle, I don't want to show my face, I'm now going to tackle putting a wreath up. I bought some of these at lunch from Poundland because last night we tried to hammer in a hook through a metal door. So yeah, fingers crossed these work. I've tried to do some weird makeshift thing to keep the wreath up, but yeah. Is that how you say wreath? Wreath. Right, so my plan is to put it like upside down and then hang the sticky ribbon off it. So like put it like that and then hook the ribbon under there and over the door. It's on, like Donkey Kong. I just realised anyone walking past can think I'm such a weirdo talking to myself. Tied this like and hooked it under there, and then hopefully, oh, I think it looks cute. Also, this was from, guess where this is from? Okay, you can't guess, but it was from Poundland. It was only £2. I'm pleased with that. Wait, let's get the full effect. Oh wait. Dun, da, da, da. So today most definitely failed in the old vlogging department, but I'm now going to just have a bath and have some cheesy pasta, so it's not like you're missing out on much. I might just combine this with a vlog tomorrow. It's basically Christmas jumper day, so that feels more like a better festive way to start this little vlog series. My legs really hurt from the gym. Should have sat down. Now I've got to psych myself up for a shower. Shower or bath? Bath or shower? Might have a shows. Right, I need to stop talking to myself.